this is sort of the culmination of my experimenting with rotation, position tracking, and voice commands to this point. In the top left, you'll see both who I'm talking to and a little monitor on how the voice command is working. So what I'm going to do here first is I'm going to say measure room, and what that's going to do is start an algorithm that is measuring the physical space I am in. And I'm just measuring the extremes by simply walking back and forth and side to side to give the program an indication of how big the room is that I'm in. So after that, I'm able to move around in the virtual space in a proportional manner to my physical available space. So this way, the virtual space can be a set size, and your physical space can be any size, and you can move proportionally through it. Also, now I can use voice commands to indicate who I'm talking to, and therefore where the virtual camera is looking. Right now I'm talking to Bob, so the virtual camera is focused on Bob, and all my voice commands that I described in an earlier post are active now that I'm talking to Bob. But I can move back and forth, side to side, all while remaining looking at Bob. To change who I'm looking at, I just say their name. I said Steve, and now I'm looking at Steve. So I can virtually look at Steve and virtually talk to Steve. Um, so to talk back to the entire class, I would just say class, and basically now I'm focusing on a point in space that's in between our two class members, and I can move back and forth there. Thanks, Bob and Steve.